Hi everyone, I'm Jenna. Today I've asked some of my friends to enjoy some barbecue with me. This is Isabel from Korea, Tim from Russia, and Michelle from America. Let's have some barbecue. Let's have a look at what we're eating today. We have corn, potatoes, eggplant, pumpkin, sausages, tofu, lamb, chicken hearts, and fish balls. Looks delicious. Here are some things we can use to season our meat. We have oil, barbecue sauce, salt, cumin, and spice. First, we need to put some oil on the meat. This can make sure that it cooks nice and even. And then we'll lay them out over the charcoal. If you want your meat to taste delicious, add some cumin. And if you like spicy food, add some hot pepper spice. Remember to rotate your skewers so that they cook evenly on both sides. Hey guys, do you like spicy food? Who wants spice on their skewers?
Oh, I don't like spicy food.
I like medium spice.
I want it very spicy.
Great, okay. No spice for you.
Thank you.
Medium spice. And really spicy. Now that we've finished grilling our meat, let's grill some vegetables. We can use this grill rack and add some corn and pumpkin. Now let's put our grill rack on the grill. Let's add some oil. When you're cooking vegetables on the grill, make sure you add plenty of oil so that it tastes delicious.
This is so good.
This is so yummy.
Yay, it's not spicy.
Here are some different ways to say that your skewer is delicious. Tasty, yummy, juicy, mouth-watering. That sounds delicious. Do you guys want any more food?
Oh no, I'm so full.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, man, I feel like I'm about to explode.
Great. I guess we're all done then.
Yeah.
I had such a great time grilling skewers with my friends today. What do you like to do with your friends? Leave a comment under the video. If your comment is good, we'll send you a special gift. Okay. Ooh, it's time for us to go relax and digest this food. I'll see you next time. Bye.